Today is so boring.
What's going on? It must be a fire alarm. I hate fire alarms. You should really go. Yeah, everyone should really go. Ugh. I wonder how long this is gonna last, yeah. I hate taking the stairs. Why can't I take the elevator? Cause it's out. I wonder how long this is gonna take. This is ridiculous. I know. Wait, did you hear it? It stopped. Alright, let's go back in. Wait, it started? Come on. This is stupid. It must be malfunctioning. I just want to go inside. We gotta do it as a group. Ugh. This is so stupid. Let's just go back to work. Fine. Alright, let's go. I hate taking the stairs. Ugh, shut up. Back to work. Are you serious? No, I'm not going again. That thing is going crazy. We have to. Wait, it stopped? See? I told you it wasn't even worth it. Worst day ever.